Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is KUPPET Mini Portable Washing Machine. If you're in the market for an electric washing machine, but your storage space is limited, then the KUPPET Mini Electric Portable Washing Machine is perfect choice for you. KUPPET Mini Single Tub Washing Machine is perfect solution for doing laundry in a compact environment. Capacity is 7.7 pounds larger than before, save your precious time. The 360-degree rotating design more efficiently washes your clothes and shortens the drying time. It is an essential assistant for your home and travel. KUPPET Mini Washing Machine is very quiet when it is running, so you don't worry it will disturb whatever you are doing. Washing and spinning are all worked by 390 RPM quality motor, with a max frequency of 60 Hz. Powerful, fast, and work longer. What's more, it will make your clothes more cleaner. KUPPET Washing Machine allows you to simply put in your load of clothes, fill with water, set the timer, then start washing. What's more, our washing machine features a drain tube which allows you to easily drain out dirty water. It's lightweight and easily movable. For details, let's watch more. Our second best portable washing machine is Black & Decker BPWM16W Portable Washer. If you're looking for the convenience and modern features that come with an electric washing machine but don't want to invest a ton of money because you're in a rental unit or other potentially non-permanent space, the Black & Decker Portable Washing Machine is a solid choice. This machine comes in 3 sizes for different space considerations, laundry needs, and budgets. Ideal for camping trips and RVs, apartments, and boats or dorms, our clothes washer is compact but powerful. It's easily stored or moved in small spaces, and connects to a faucet with the included drain hose and sink adapter. With a 1.6 cubic feet tub that washes up to 11 pounds of laundry in 15 to 59 minutes, this top-loading portable washer machine has an easy-to-use LED digital display panel and a clear top window. This compact washing machine is only for use with cold water. It has a built-in lint filter that does not need to be replaced, just clean it about once a month. It's designed for high-efficiency detergents only. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is Super Deal Portable Compact Washing Machine. This super compact and lightweight washer can easily be moved around your RV, campsite, or boat without taking up a lot of space. Designed with separate timer control settings for washer and spinner operations. Comes with a cover plate. When you use the spin tube, put it above the clothes to protect them from being thrown away at high speed. High-strength plastic material ensures this machine will never be rust-eaten. You can move clothes directly from the washer to the spinner, or run both sides together to finish your laundry. Washer control timer runs for up to 15 minutes while the spin cycle timer runs for up to 5 minutes each load. Equipped with separate timer control settings for washer and spinner operations, simply put in clothes, fill with water, set the timer and start washing. It was engineered to stand whatever laundry additives you want to use. From vintage soap bar shavings to pre-measured detergent capsules. Powders, liquids, sheets, tablets or pods. You're the boss and the washer will accept the household laundry additives you want to use. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best portable washing machine list is the Laundry Alternative Portable Washing Machine. This adorable hand-operated washing machine reminiscent of a vintage homemade appliance and is the most affordable option in market. Wire-free mini washer is perfect for travel, camping, or an apartment. This washer is intended to clean small items in under 2 minutes. Each load of laundry can clean up to 1 large bath towel and has a 5-pound capacity. Manual crank operation uses no electricity and 90% less water than the standard machine, which reduces your footprint on the environment. Please note that this product does not have a spin-dry cycle. Best washer for woolens, silks, knits, cashmere, and other delicate garments. It does not have an agitator that can snag your clothes, making your favorite items last you longer. Our last pick is Giantex Portable Washing Machine. With easy drain function, balance adjustment feature which of 10-pound load capacity, and 8 water level options, this product make as good choice to customers. On the control panel are there 10 programs, 8 water level selections and LED display. All functions and operation including water level /spin, program delay, time set and child lock are listed clearly. Detergent and procedure choice are also included to meet your various needs. Giantex washing machine is compact and lightweight for you to easily move it in your home. But the honeycomb-shaped inner tub can load 9.92 pounds at one time and wash many clothes for you. In manual, we also listed reference weight of various clothes. With detailed and specific manual, it is easy and convenient for you to operate it in inlet and drain water. Clear and transparent lid allows you to see and monitor the water and washing condition. Once child lock function is set, all buttons are locked and the machine stops run and error alarms if the top lid is open. Giantex washing machine is compact and lightweight for you to easily move it in your home.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!